My sales team finds managing leads from sources like social media campaigns, websites, and landing pages difficult. Is there a way to help my team?
Integrating Elvis CRM with different sources can help your sales team manage them effortlessly. Let's see how. In this demo as an example, we will show how Elvis CRM can integrate with Facebook. Once you log in to the Facebook account that manages your ad campaigns and grant the necessary permissions, you can access the Integrations module in Elvis CRM. In this module, you will find that the Facebook option is already available. You can also see your connected company's account. If you have multiple pages within one account, they will also appear here. Now, the leads will be automatically captured in the CRM. How can you distribute leads to your sales team effectively? You can select the ad campaign, the lead type, the customer type, the branch, if you have multiple branches, and the salespeople to assign the lead from the drop-down, which can be added in the settings. If you're selecting multiple salespeople, a round-robin method will be deployed to distribute the leads. This integration makes managing leads from different sources much easier and more efficient.